Hi everybody, welcome back. Today for you, it is time to unbox Play by Sephora. If you are unfamiliar with Play by Sephora, Sephora Play, it is a monthly subscription service, $10 per month plus tax. You're going to receive 5 deluxe size sample beauty items plus 1 bonus. Sometimes it's a perfume sample, sometimes it's a foil packet. I'll get shipped to your door each month. Down below in the description box, I will leave a link for you. I do believe that there is still a waiting list to get on Sephora Play. It's not a referral link because they don't do those, but I will leave the link for you so that you can get onto the Sephora Play bandwagon. But without further ado, let's open her up. So when you open it up, it's going to be like this. It always says, go here to sephora.com/play. In here, you're going to have your play book. This is going to give you tips and tricks on all different kinds of, things you can do with the items. On the back, it's going to show you each of the items that you received with some tips and tricks on that as well. Plus down here is going to be your play pass. When you take this into Sephora stores, and it has to be in store, it can be inside JCPenney or standalone, but when you take this in and make any purchase, you will receive an additional 50 Beauty Insider points towards your account. And so here is this month's bag. It's kind of cute. It's a thinner canvas. It's a blue. It's kind of like blue tie-dye. And it says, "Beauty is my animal spirit." How cute. So we're going to go through the items I got. I have to read you the cute little puns because they are so funny. So let's start right off the bat. The first thing up here is going to be the perfume sample I got this month. And this is my Burberry blush from Burberry. I have received this one once before from Sephora Play, as a matter of fact. It's not a bad smelling perfume. It's actually not bad. I would actually even consider wearing this one. But perfumes aren't my thing. But I will go ahead and read you the pun anyway. This month's bonus track, Blush the Stage. Burberry Blush, a fruity and beautiful feminine floral fragrance that captures the vibe of strolling through a London garden. And it very much does. It kind of has like that English lavender type of scent to it, but it's not bad and it's not too overpowering. So let's go. Next thing up. This is the Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. They sent me the shade 26, which is Neutral Sand Sable. That might, oh no! It looked like on the outer packaging, I was like, yeah, that's not going to work. But yeah, that's actually, oh yeah, that's really, really good skin match for me there. Yeah, you can barely even see that. Oh, and boy, is that soft and silky, you all. Main Stage Matte. The Sephora Collection Matte Perfection Powder Foundation in shade 26 Neutral Sand, a buildable powder foundation with a creamy texture and a natural matte finish. I do feel that it has more of like a natural finish rather than a matte finish because it doesn't look too flat. And that was a pretty good swatch I put on there and it didn't look too flat. So I don't think this would be too mattifying, but definitely excited to give this a try. Next up, something else from the Sephora collection. I got 2 things from the Sephora collection last time, but I'm definitely not mad at that because the Sephora collection and Ulta are 2 brands that I never really use anything from. So I enjoy getting to try some of those to see if I like them or not, save some cash. So this is the Sephora Micellar Water. It's just micellar water. It's triple action cleansing water. So let's read and see what it says about that. Lead cleaner. That pun's not funny yet. Maybe they'll get funny in a minute. Sephora Collection Triple Action Cleansing Water, a refreshing no-rinse micellar water cleanser that removes makeup from your face and eyes in one swipe. Next up, this is from Briogeo. This is the Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. Now, I'm iffy on hair products, but hey, I do like Briogeo products. So let's see what it says about that. Battle of the Strands. Good way to redeem yourself. The Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray, a dual action spray that provides instant volume and texture. So this is something I don't mind having. My hair doesn't really lack in volume, but if it can help texture a little bit with the curls, so we got the little curly ponytail thing going on today. We got some humidity in the area, and I'm filming this on the first day of spring. What the heck, spring? It's like freezing. I know you guys can hear my heat in the background. It's so annoying because it's loud, but Yeah, what the heck, spring? I could see my breath when I walked out there. It's like the wind chill's like in the 20s. Welcome to St. Louis. Next item up, this is from Kula. This is the SPF 30 Organic Makeup Setting Spray plus Hyaluronic Acid. Woohoo! Interested to try something like this. Let's hear what it says. The Set Mist. Okay. I'm getting the rock part now. I'm getting it. Oh my gosh, revelation. Lead cleaner. I just got it. Lead singer. Ah, hilarious. Kula Makeup Setting Spray SPF 30. A refreshing setting spray and sunscreen duo that fights the signs of aging. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this one a go and a try. I don't really know how much of the SPF you're going to get because you're not really rubbing it in the skin. But, you know, hey, if it's going to add a little bit more of SPF, I'm not going to knock it for trying. I mean, I wouldn't use this by itself, obviously. But, you know, if it's going to add to the mix, I don't mind that. Plus, it has hyaluronic acid, so that's going to bring in some moisture. So I'm guessing this isn't going to be a flat setting spray, and I really like that. So I am excited to give that a try. And the last thing we got here, this is the Lancome Hypnose Drama. And I do like this mascara a lot. I have had this one before, so I am not mad to get another deluxe size of this. Let's hear what it says. Lineup for length. Lancome Hypnose Drama Instant Full Body Volume Mascara, a black volumizing mascara with an S-shaped curve for extra drama. I've said in the past, I'm never mad about getting a deluxe size sample of something I love because, hey, I just look at it, I'm going to buy that anyway probably, so I don't mind getting some of it for free. And so that's it. That is everything that came in Sephora Play this month. I'm really, really excited and intrigued. I think this right here is my #1 thing I'm excited to try out and use because I do love a powder foundation, especially like on top of a BB or a CC cream. So this is really exciting. I'm really excited to try this out. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Make sure, of course, that before you leave that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.